Alright, first thing on the list today that we got a double check. We're doing a startup on two systems that our installers put in for a builder, and they finally got all the electrical done, so we're gonna just double check, start the systems up, and see what's going on. So we got one condenser right here. There's one over there on the other side of the steps. Boys did pretty good with that line set cover. I would love it. I'd have loved it if they could have came down, did like a little perfect 90-degree bend there. But we're working on this one is a 2-ton. 2-ton. What about the other one over here? Somebody didn't left that damn hammer. Get this off my unit. There's water here. I'm gonna clean these off. They left us some extra thermostat wire. That's cool. That's cool. This one's a heat pump. It's also another 2-ton. That line set, that cover's pretty straight. So got the disconnect tied into there. Let's go inside and see what the boy. Is this one a heat pump too? Yeah, it's got the true suction port down there. Let's go inside, check and see what the ductwork looks like. Got the ladder set up. Oh wow. Alright, this is what we're dealing with here. So this is the only access that we've been able to find so far. There is not an access on the other side for the other unit. Oh, what's up?
It won't open.
The disconnect box won't open?
Has a lock on it.
Alright, oh, maybe they got the disconnect off up here. So I'm gonna check that. I did have to cut that disconnect on. It was in the off position. So we didn't really have space to run a trunk line, I guess. Got the plenum right there. 2-ton. Air handler, Tempstar, ICP, all the good stuff. Pan switch there. There's a lot of dust up here. I don't think that P-trap's primed, so we're gonna make sure that thing is good to go for summertime because we're almost here for it. But the boys did pretty good with the ductwork up here. Nothing looks kinked at all. I like it. Let's go check that one way down there. So real quick, I'm gonna remove the float switch right here. Make sure that doesn't trip. Got the United refrigeration pan and drain treatment. Jacob filled that up with water. So I'm gonna spray that a little bit. Always gotta prime the P-traps. I know I said spray a little bit. I'm spraying a lot. I've had real good success with this stuff. I don't know about everybody else, but I'll spray that in the system one time and probably don't have to come back till next year. What's up? Just inspect the drain line down, make sure it's got some good pitch. And get pictures of the data plates. That just ate up all that water. And we'll gently put that back in there. I don't like these ones. I hate this little unlock lock crap. Like, what is that? Just let me pull it up and put it back down. This is stupid. All right. Oh my God. Not a terrible little attic to get through, but they need to definitely put.
Took that little lock off?
Huh?
That little lock
Yeah, you gotta unlock that piece on the drain line, and then pick it up. Make sure it does not. Yeah, don't flip it upside down. Position it in a place where that black. Yeah, just like that. Gotta. Yep. Hey, bro, don't waste the product. My God. You just dump that whole bottle of water in there. Same kind of deal over here. They got that way down there. Good job, guys. And one on that back side over there too. They took one around the back side of the unit. Got way back there. These vents are like at the furthest spot inside. Jesus. No return plenum. Just going straight into the underside of the unit. And then that is one long run. I want to check the airflow on that one and see if we got good airflow, because that's long as hell. That's gotta be like the whole bag right there. So let's go check Delta T's and put stickers and labels on the outside units. You say you know what you're talking about?
Yeah.
All right. So this is a hammer drill. That's what you're telling me.
Yes.
Even though I see no hammer function on the drill, I'm scratching this, trying to see. I see no hammer function. I only see the drill. Now, if I go to my Milwaukee one in the back seat, it's gonna have the hammer function.
Okay. That don't mean that's not a hammer drill.
Cordless drill driver.
So why would they have hammer drill bits for a hammer drill?
These are not hammer drill. Jake,
No
please
regular
don't.
drill can
Jake,
do that.
Jake, they about to
No.
flame you in the comments.
Fuck them. Take a separate fat dick.
Those are not hammered. Those are not concrete bits. Those are regular wood bits to go through wood and drywall.
Wood my ass. Who the fuck uses those for wood?
What the?
No one I ever seen.
I swear to God, I hope this video go up. I swear. Hammer drill driver. Where's my hammer function at? Oh, there's the hammer. You got a little friend, Jacob. Ah. Boy, don't fling him on me. What you gonna do with him?
Throw them in the condenser.
Don't do that. That's so messed up. All right, I've already got Delta T's on this unit here. This was the one that we crawled all the way through here to get to the unit. It sits right here, and there's that one long flex run. It goes over there above the kitchen, or above where the microwave and everything's gonna be in the stove. Could I pull out the anemometer and get like a regular feet per minute calculation? I could, but for me to get an actual CFM reading on that, I would have to do a static pressure test and everything to figure out that calculation. But comparing it to the other vents in the house, for the length of run that it is, it's blowing great, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'm gonna get these labels on here, and unfortunately, in neither apartment did they put a filter in. I don't know if that was on us or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my measuring tape and my label maker to go ahead and make labels on what size needs to be there and go from there. Jacob's cleaning off this unit right now. Oh, dang, you already done with that one over there? Yeah, Lee. All right, cool. So he rinsed that one off. Gotta get that rusty stain from that stupid hammer off of here. Definitely looks a lot better. I got my probes on that one. I'll go ahead and post a screenshot of what this was running before he cleaned it. I'm not going to take another reading after the fact, but he's already cleaned that one, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll post a picture of those readings as well with the Delta T and everything. I'm letting the system run right now. I gotta put labels on the thermostats and on the condensers themselves. And then we're out of here. Got the Grand Air Solutions tag with the phone number on it. Thermostat left in 68 for the heat mode. I did put a 14 by 20 by 1 label up there. I know some people got those fancy labels. I wish we had fancy labels. Fancy labels are nice and pretty. Oh, Jacob, gotta press it on there, buddy. And that's that. Oh. Well, he was just rinsing that. I'm glad I've let this run for a minute. Let me check the pressures. I just took a look at the pressures. It's not that far off from what the other unit over there was on the other side of the steps. Jacob did tell me while he was trying to get all the water out the hose, he was spraying this with the excess water in the hose, and I think that's what kind of started to build up that little frost accumulation. Because I cut the unit off at the disconnect, let the pressures equalize, and started it back up, and it's no longer doing that. I mean, the pipe is sweating, but it's not frosting like it was just a minute ago. So I think we're okay. No putting water on the condenser when it's running in heat mode. Bet. Bet, Mr. Jacob. I think I'm gonna let that be a video of itself, only because I haven't been able to actually like pop up on a past install and actually do a startup in quite a bit. So hopefully I can film again today, but if not, this is for sure just its own video. Let me know in the comments, is there anything that you guys do on your startups that's different from us? I would love to sit there and do static pressure tests and make sure everything's all calculated out right. I'm just told not to. Just get in there, make sure it's running, and then get on to the next one. So I do like the little labels and stuff. I don't have to do it. That's just me adding my own personal touch to it. And that's my little trademark to it, I guess. My little signature to the systems that I have to go back on, that we service or that we install. So I appreciate for everybody tuning into this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.